Don't really know what else to say, guys, other than you don't see that every day at a car show.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Seth AB. Welcome to another video. This is a very impromptu video. I apologize in advance for its length, its quality. However, I've come down here to Topaz Detailing for a Cars and Coffee meet. There is an F1 car here. So somebody actually brought an F1 car to a Cars and Coffee meet. That is ridiculous. We're in the AMG A45. I don't know if you can see behind me, I've come up with Dan in the Abarth. And I'll show you what's going on here and show you that flipping F1 car, because that is going to be mad. So, let's do this. Oh, look at that. Here she is. She looks well shiny, and there's loads of you asking how is it so shiny. I actually use something called Auto Finesse Ceramics on it, and it seems to be working pretty nicely. You can see there Dan's Abarth, and also Helen Abarth London. She's here with the Rivale. But the best thing about this is, you need to check this out, is this one has got, I can see it, the wooden dash. Now, I have never seen one with the wooden dash, so I'm really glad that she's gone for that option. But yeah, it's a nice little sandwich, and a Abarth sandwich. So let me see what's going on here. Lock you up, and let's do this. That is insane. Look at that. What a car. Unbelievably good. Getting up close and personal to this, I mean, it is literally insane. I would love to drive this car. This is awesome. Let's see which one it is. Well, obviously that's not touched on it before, but I mean, just look at it from this angle. And do you know what? Compared to the old cars, it looks so narrow. I mean, look at it. It's not very wide in comparison to the new cars. God knows what the 2021 concept car is going to be like, but that's insane. I can't believe that this is here. Absolutely unbelievable. I mean, look, this is kind of Topaz Detailing. Loads of stuff going on. And yeah, very, very fortunate to have access to this place. Massive shout out to Dan over there, Abarth Bees, for the invite down. And yeah, I mean, look at that. Don't really know what else to say, guys, other than you don't see that every day at a car show. Wow, this is absolutely insane. So this is a very impromptu video, guys, and I'm sorry if it's very rushed and it's not probably to the quality that you guys expect. As you can see behind me, I'm here in the industrial estate at Topaz Detailing. There is a number of cars here, mental supercars. I've got my coffee, embracing the Cars and Coffee theme. Probably one of the last ones of the year, actually. But when my friend Dan, who's got the yellow Abarth, said to me, do you fancy coming down and seeing an actual F1 car? I mean, who brings an F1 car to a Cars and Coffee meet? That is insane. But it's just been really nice to see it in the flesh. The lighting in Topaz is incredible. So you're obviously guaranteed to see some relatively good shots in there. But my word, what an array of cars. Absolutely, absolutely stunning. And yeah, the coffee's good too. Yeah, oh, fun fact. So Nabil, the owner of Topaz, I used to go to primary school with him. Me and him used to sit down and play FIFA games together in primary school. And look how well he's done for himself. Unbelievable. I mean, this is just mental. And there's massive money in PPF and detailing and all that. So fair play to Topaz. And I'm having a blast. Let me show you some other cars here because there's some unbelievable cars. I've seen a mental spec blue and orange Lambo with a hilarious wing. Let me show you. Look at the spec on this. How nuts does that look? That Miami blue and orange spec. That is insane. In fact, that's probably one of the best Lambo specs I've ever seen. Oh, I've just noticed that. How sick is that? Talking about spoilers, who needs wing? That is insane. But honestly, this is one of the best looking Aventadors that I've seen. And it's a convertible one as well. I'm not a supercar whore, so I'm not entirely sure, you know, all the details. But what I can tell you is that looks insane. Right down the end there, Batman's Aventador. Look at this. That is so sick. Hey, party! This is another nice car. You've got Project 7. See, I've always liked the Jags. I think they look sick with that hump on the back. But yeah, Project 7 is a mean car. Oh, hello. Hello. Focus RS over there. The Merc's over there in the corner. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just over there. There's the AMG with Dan's Abarth. And casual. Aston Martin GT8. Just rolling in. What do you reckon? That spec looks pretty mean. Have a look at this. That is a huge rear wing. Really nice. Really nice car. Let me know in the comments what your favourite car is, guys. This is stunning. Still got loads of it. Ah. And yeah, it's not a sight you see over your left shoulder every day. That is bonkers. Wonder how much they're worth. Don't even know. So, 458 Speciale, what a car. And that specific Speciale, hopefully, fingers crossed, in the not too distant future, there may be a video coming out on it. But I hope you've enjoyed this kind of impromptu video, guys. Apologies for the quality and apologies it's been filmed on iPhone. So there's probably been a hell of a lot of wind noise. But I just sort of thought the fact that there's an F1 car at a Cars and Coffee meet warranted a video. So yeah, my name's been Steph, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you've liked it, make sure to like, share and subscribe. I'm going to see you all very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.